It came out of nowhere. First thing you know, I'm packing my bag for school next week, getting ready to kiss spring break goodbye, and now I'm home doing my schoolwork until the end of the year. It is odd thinking my trip home leading into spring break was my final exit from school as a sophomore, but then again, the world is going through weird and mind boggling times. Quarantine from COVID 19 for the first few weeks became a bit complicated. I felt like I had nothing to do. I spent all my time doing absolutely nothing, the classic eat and sleep routine. But on my third week, I felt like I should be using my time wisely. What went from time sitting and playing video games turned into a solid hour or two of workouts, different days dedicated to different exercises. I went from random nap times to learning how to cook, and most importantly, studying for when I thought I could go back to school, something I felt helped my current online school sessions. I thought things were going great and that quarantine was really helping me. However, I started looking at this through a different perspective and I couldn't help but think what everything would be like if this never happened. Online school has just arrived, and even though I studied in preparation, I can almost feel like something challenging is going to arrive, and there won't be a teacher there when I raise my hand. I can always shoot out an email, but I always feel like I succeed when I get help in person, and this seemed like a bad sign from the start. I miss seeing my friends and family that I can no longer meet up with, and even though some may be happy school is gone, I must say, I kinda miss it. If I was given the choice to have all the time to myself and keep my priorities at home, or have the things the way they were, I couldn't give you a straight answer. Either way, I still try not to waste my time during all this craziness. I like to focus on myself, my health, my education, my progress. Still, that doesn't mean I can't leave room for loved ones, because looking out for each other is one of the few ways we can get through this. For Spot 127, I'm Diego Esquivel.